Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today we are making a quick and delicious chicken macaroni that's full of juicy chicken, colorful vegetables, and a rich homemade sauce. It's an easy one-pan meal that's perfect for lunch, dinner, or lunch boxes. Let's get started. Bring some water to a boil. Add half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oil, add 1 cup macaroni. Cook it for 8 to 10 minutes or until it's perfectly tender. Cook the macaroni until just tender to keep it from becoming too soft. Drain the water and keep the boiled macaroni aside. Now heat 1 tablespoon oil in a frying pan. Add 3 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies. Stir for a minute until the onion becomes soft. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Now add 1 cup chicken breast pieces. Chicken breast cooks quickly and stays tender when prepared properly. Season with half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce. Add 1 tomato puree. Mix everything well until the chicken is fully coated. Tomato puree gives the dish a naturally rich color and flavor. Cook over medium heat until the chicken becomes tender and the sauce thickens. Now add the boiled macaroni, some chopped capsicum. Mix gently. Cook everything together for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat. Your delicious homemade chicken macaroni is ready. Your homemade chicken macaroni is ready. Tender chicken, perfectly cooked pasta, and a rich flavorful sauce make this a meal the whole family will enjoy. Try it today and enjoy a comforting homemade dish in every bite. Follow Innoven Foods for more delicious recipes, homemade meals, and quick family favorites.